There is a serious healthcare crisis in the United States. It's unfortunate that so much time is being wasted. Regardless of your income, all Americans really should be guaranteed basic medical care under the United Health Insurance Program. However, each day is passing and millions of Americans don't have health care coverage. Our president and other elected officials should guarantee basic medical care under the National Health Care Program. However, that's not the case. The United States remains the only developed country without universal health care. And that is unfortunate because we're seeing where it's affecting us directly or indirectly, meaning we may be covered or be underinsured. Access to healthcare is vital to our survival, and it should be obtainable to all Americans, regardless of their social economic status, regardless of their age or race. But what is happening is Americans are being approved for health insurance, but their deductibles are really high or they have high premium. And there are those who are just flat out being denied health care coverage. There are those who would complain and just say that health care is too expensive, being one of the highest reasons why Americans are uninsured. Then there are those who can't find coverage because they're unemployed or their employer does not offer the health care coverage. But that should not be a reason that Americans are not having insurance. Not being properly covered or having no insurance at all is leading to poor health outcomes and even death. There are individuals who are relying on the emergency room as their medical provider. There are those who are self diagnosing. There are those who are even fearful of going to the hospital or to the doctor because of a financial burden. Having healthcare insurance will reduce financial burdens and lead to healthier Americans and giving us a healthy, productive economy. When trying to prove the benefits of Americans being guaranteed basic medical care, there will be those who would oppose. They will say that health care for all will rise the national debt. However, health care spending is one of the largest drivers of the federal deficit. There will be a fear that health insurance for all will cause for us to pay higher taxes. But we spend more per person on health care than we spend on food and housing. They will also say that it could lead to socialism, but the government is already providing health care through public programs already. Healthier Americans is good for our country's economic productivity. See, healthier citizens will in turn mean a stronger economy. We all win if we are healthy and we are guaranteeing medical care under this national health insurance program to all Americans. So, what we can do to ensure that all Americans are guaranteed basic medical care, we need to educate ourselves. Educate ourselves on our health care systems. We need to share that knowledge. And once we share that knowledge, we need to encourage citizens to go out and vote. All votes matter. We can make changes to our healthcare systems if we let our voice be heard.